Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we are doing a full review of REI Reply. We want to know what it is, how it's going to benefit you, and why you should be using it starting from right now, today. So let's check it out. We're jumping into REI Reply now. So REI Reply offers a multi-channel marketing automation system. It automates your marketing across SMS, email, voicemail, and even Facebook Messenger, which is quite a standout feature. Real estate investors actually use customizable campaigns for consistent lead follow-up, and its SMS feature boasts a 90% success rate, setting a high industry standard. It also has an AI-powered assistant called Reba. So Reba, the AI assistant, qualifies leads, it can set appointments, and it communicates in multiple languages. It automates key tasks as well, which frees investors from many duties with full-time jobs and allows them to focus more on closing deals efficiently. One of the nice things for me is that it can communicate in multiple languages, so this is a standout feature. It does lead qualification, appointment setting, and multi-language support, as I just mentioned. So it also has a comprehensive built-in CRM and a pipeline management system. You can organize and segment leads effortlessly using their smart lists. You can track all your communications in one single dashboard, including emails, texts, calls, and voicemail, and you can visualize your deals clearly through the sales pipeline. This is also awesome. Also, you get automated lead qualification. AI can quickly assess and prioritize incoming leads to save time. You can seamlessly book meetings without manual intervention, and it handles conversations in various languages to broaden your reach. It also has a website and funnel builder built in. So again, you don't have to jump from one app to the next and try and figure out where you're going to get hosting, how you're going to build your website, where your funnel builder is going to come from. It's all in one place. It's easy drag and drop interface, and it's super easy to learn if you haven't even got any experience. And you also get a live chat widget, which is great, and a CRM integration that you can integrate into your website and your funnels. Having a look over here at one or two of the drawbacks, the platform does not offer a free trial, so it's difficult to test the software before you actually commit to using it full time. Also, several users have reported bugs, especially in the mobile app, and issues with the automation and texting features, including numbers being marked as spam and poor customer service support. These are some of the things that we need to consider when we are looking for real estate software. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, REI Reply reviewed in a nutshell. Short and sweet. If this was helpful or you learned something about REI Reply, you can go ahead and drop us a like, and you can leave a comment if you'd also like to do so. We'll see you in another video.